Dear children, next we move on to the next topic, that is tessellation, the arrangement of shapes, okay, that between no gaps, that is called tessellation. So our topic is tessellation, okay, that is TESSELLATION, tessellation. Okay, that is tessellation. What is meant by tessellation? That is arrangement of shapes. Okay, that is shapes means that is quadrilateral, okay, plane figures to cover the plane area. Okay, that is that was similar to that of tiling our floors. Okay, that is called tessellation. Let me take somewhat that is equal, that is symmetrical shapes. We have already discussed what is symmetry and asymmetry and lines of symmetry, okay, that we have discussed in your previous topic. Here this tessellation topic, okay, the arrangement of shapes like a tiling. Okay, for this tessellation, one clue for you, that is plane, that is symmetrical shapes, all or should be, it can be tessellate. Okay, symmetrical shapes can be tessellate and asymmetrical shapes which cannot be tessellate. Okay, I am going to explain with example drawing sums. Okay, consider somewhat that is in a shape that is symmetry, that is square. Okay, this is a lines of symmetry. You can draw an imaginary line between them, or that is if you fold this paper folding, you can divide into two equal halves. That is a symmetrical shape. Okay, if you arrange this symmetrical shape by arranging one by one, you can arrange it without any space between them. So you can arrange it like this manner. Okay, somewhat you have to arrange. Okay, so you can arrange this symmetrical shapes. You can tessellate without spacing between these shapes. These shapes are, that is symmetrical. These are symmetrical. Okay, somewhat few more example for this, like that is rectangle. Okay, you can tessellate them. Okay, this is a another example for brick arrangement. If you see that is a wall, the building, that's a brick building. You can see this example, that is a rectangle shape. You can find out and you can arrange it. Okay, you can tiling them without any gap. Okay, you can arrange it like this. Okay, somewhat all these shapes are symmetrical. Is a square and this one is a rectangle shape, but you can tiling, you can tessellate them. Okay, because all these shapes are symmetrical. Okay, all are symmetrical. Okay, and somewhat like this, for example, this shape should be somewhat, that is, okay, this is a shape for semicircle. Okay, and somewhat like, okay, this shape. Okay, and somewhat irregular shape. Okay, you can't arrange these asymmetrical shape and for this tessellation. If you can arrange this shape, for example, you can make it like this. Okay, another one you can make it like this. Okay, another one you can make it like this, because there is a space between, so you can't arrange it tessellate. So this shapes can be tessellate and these figures are tessellate figures and these figures are non-tessellate. We can't arrange the tiling appearance. Okay, this is called tessellation. And somewhat another example for tessellation, that is in this circle shape, you can't arrange it tessellation because the shapes are asymmetrical and there is a gap between them here. So these are the space and all these are irregular in shape. So this is called asymmetrical shapes, okay, and which cannot be tessellate, okay, non-tessellate. All these irregular shapes are called non-tessellates. Okay, and these symmetrical regular shapes are called tessellate figures. These are tessellates. Okay, these are also tessellates. Okay, so do you know the terms? Okay, that is tessellates and non-tessellate, and arrangement of shapes which is called as tessellation. Okay, and next we move on to the next pattern topic, that is mirror image. Dear children, next we move on to the next topic, and that is pattern and shapes, that is mirror image. Okay, now the topic is mirror image. Okay, that is what is meant by mirror image. Okay, again we have taken example from the symmetrical shapes and asymmetrical shapes. Somewhat, that is, in symmetrical shapes we can divide the shapes into two equal halves. So the one half will be the reflection of the other equal portion. That is called mirror image. That is a reflective portion is called mirror image. Okay, for example, that is, if we stand before the mirror, okay, we can see the own image of our figure. Okay, that is any object that can be placed before the mirror, we can say the same figure. Okay, that is the mirror. Okay, that is a physical nature, the physical activity, that is a physical nature, that is a reflection of light that comes back towards our eye, that is a mirror image. Okay, so mirror image here in mathematical term, that is for a symmetrical shape. Okay, let me discuss. That is for, this is a alphabet A and this is B, and for C and D. Okay, somewhat symmetrical shapes. This is a symmetrical shape and this is a asymmetrical shape, and this is a symmetrical shape and this is a asymmetrical shapes. Somewhat it reflects the mirror image, means similar to that of our, that is A resembles at same, and for B, that is a mirror image of B. Okay, and for C mirror image, it should be like this, and for D, this is a mirror image of D. Okay, somewhat that is if we draw imaginary line, that's the other portion is a reflective portion of the A. Okay, so this is called mirror image. And in alphabet A to Z, somewhat some letters are both same as in the normal image and mirror image. The example, that is A, and other example for I, that is, and S, okay, and T. Okay, both it's a mirror image and that is T. It's the same. And for X also, that is same in mirror image. Okay, no change. And that is I, which can be seen as same in the mirror image. And for O also similar to that of our mirror image. Both are same in the real image and mirror image. So in A to Z, these are the alphabets, both same in the normal image as well as in the mirror image. Okay, that's a no difference between the mirror image and the normal image. That is, O resembles same like this, and I, X and T. Okay, and for A, Otherwise the other alphabets, okay, and for that is V, that is similar in shape, and for W, same in the mirror image. Okay, so that's why this is a topic to understand the what is meant by mirror image. That's a reflection of the symmetrical shapes. Okay, so this is called mirror image. And let me move on to the next topic, that is data handling and pictograph. Okay, let me see the next video.